So since it is a messaging platform, whatever messages you're going to initiate, it has to be an approved template. So to do this, we need to click on the template message option under this manage tab. So to send the from message business end, we must use a template message which need to be approved beforehand. And here we can check out the status of our template to confirm whether it has been approved or not. Let's see the template creation part. To create a new template, click on the create new template. Before creating the template, we need to fill out the detail. Firstly, the template name, it should be in small letters with an underscore, and this name is for our reference purposes. And we can also fill in the label with the same name, or based on your requirement you can fill it out. So why we are giving this name and label? Because we will be having a lot of templates. Just for identification, we are providing this name. So then there are three important factors to be considered while creating the template, which are template category and template language, and then template media type. So in the template category, based on the content type, we can select the appropriate category here. For example, if you're sending a promotional message, we can choose a marketing here, and if it is a message going from our billing sector, we can choose the transactional. And if you're going to send an update kind of messages, we can select the appropriate update here. So I'm going with the marketing. And in template language, more than 60 plus languages are supported, so you can work it out in your regional language also. Now I'm choosing English. And the media type, here image, video, document are supported. So if we choose text as a media type, we can directly compose the content here, or message header and footer is optional. And if you are selecting the image type, we can directly compose, and 1024 characters are supported here. So whatever message you have been typed, you can check the preview option here on your right hand side. So if you want to send a customized message to your customer, like a unique messages has to be sent to your customer means, we can also work it out in that way, where you have an option. Here I wanted to add a name for my customer, so I'm going to add a variable here. So to add a variable, click here to add variable. So this number 1 will be represent as my customer's name here. And next is interactive action, none option. It will be like where the message will only contain the text we have composed without any additional actions or features for our customers to use. And if we choose call to action option, we need to fill in the title for the phone number or URL. So we need to provide the appropriate title for both actions. For the phone number, we have to enter the number with the country code. So whatever number you are going to enter, that particular number will be routed to the call for the customers. And if we choose the website, first we have to choose the type, whether it is a static or a dynamic, and then enter the title for it. Then whatever required website you wanted, the URL can be pasted here. Now I'm giving the title as explore now, because I'm going to give my whole entire website details here. So I'm pasting my entire website details here. So this is the URL I have been selected. So while using this feature, the user will have any option and it will route them either to a phone call or to a website based on their choice. So this option can be used based on your requirement. Next is quick replies. So this quick replies offer 3 buttons to the customer. So we call it as suggestion chips. And here with these 3 options, you can use such as about us, know more, buy now, get a code, book a demo, test drive. So it is based on your requirement completely. We can set these options as the quick reply button, and the customer can select any one of them to get a response from the chatbot here. So I'm going with the know more option and book a demo, then contact us. So you can give any kind of options here, so that respective response will be getting from the chatbot option. So it's based on your requirement. You can use this interactive actions here. So now I don't require these buttons or a call to action option. I'm going for a none option because my content doesn't require these options. And so here I have selected the image as a media type. So we need to add a sample image for approval. And please note that WhatsApp algorithm will only read the text and not the image, video or document. Therefore, if we provide an image, it will not require an approval. Only the text content need an approval. So from the add sample option, you have to choose file, add in any images because it's just a sample. So I'm adding these images now. So also I have been given a variable here. So to denote the variable has content, so I need to write a sample content here. It can be anything. So whatever variable you are going to use it, you have to give the content for each variable you have been using. So and I am giving this name y. So it will be represent that this number contains a content here. So now I have been added all the feature, all the details which we have been here. We can preview the template before submission to ensure that the content and the alignments are correct here. Now I am going to save the changes. So I am giving save changes. So the template message has been submitted successfully. By clicking the refresh option, you can check it out the status. Now it has been submitted. So minimum it will take 1 to 2 hours for the template to be approved by WhatsApp. Maximum the official window period by WhatsApp has been determined was 24 hours. So once it got approved means you can run the campaign. Before running the campaign, we need to import the contact details.